Welcome to day number 16. If you've not been following us, please go back and look at all the other 15 days. In today's video, we shall talk about adek, adek, 3 adek, mar adek, mar adek, nyithindo adek, nyithindo adek, 3 children. Adel, 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 small black fish that is related to the mudfish, and many of them is called adende, adende, adende. Ahero chamo adel, ahero chamo adel. The next one today is adela, adela. Adela is a hide that was used by as a blanket by old women. It's I don't think it exists anymore, but maybe you can find one. Adela, adela. Ademba, ademba. Olose ademba, olose ademba, ademba. Carefully. The last word of the day is adhagaria, 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 or andagaria, andagaria. Andagaria is called a blind worm. A blind worm is andagaria. Some people say rarangri, rarangri, rarangri. Andagaria, adhagaria, rarangri. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.